In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to N8N. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Slack securely connected so you can use it across your automations. Before we start, make sure you can sign in to your N8N instance and have the appropriate Slack access ready, such as a token provided by your workspace admin. Keep any sensitive details private and never share them in screenshots or recordings. First, open your N8N dashboard in your browser and sign in. You should land on your main project or workflows area. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the right one so the credentials you create end up in the correct place. Next, click Create a Workflow. This opens the workflow editor, which is where you'll design your automations. Even though we're focusing on the Slack connection, starting a workflow is a convenient way to get to everything you need. In N8N, workflows and credentials are managed separately, so once the editor is open, you'll be able to set up credentials that can be reused in any workflow. Now, go to the Credentials section. Look for the option to add new credentials and use the search bar to find Slack. Type Slack and select the Slack credential type from the results. Choosing the correct credential type ensures N8N knows exactly how to authenticate and talk to Slack's API. You'll see a form asking for your Slack details. Provide a clear name for these credentials so you can recognize them later, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or environments. Then paste your Slack token or required fields as prompted by N8N. Only use secure, valid tokens with the scopes your automations will need, and avoid using personal tokens in shared environments. If your organization separates environments like development and production, match the credential to the right environment so you don't accidentally post messages from the wrong place. If there's a test or check connection button, use it to verify everything is working before you save. If the test fails, review the token, confirm the necessary permissions are granted in Slack, and try again. When everything looks good, click Save. Your Slack credential is now stored securely in N8N and is ready to be used. From this point on, any Slack node you add to a workflow can reference this saved credential, keeping your tokens out of the node configuration and making your automations easier to maintain. That's it. You've connected Slack to N8N, set up credentials the right way, and prepared your workspace for building reliable Slack-powered workflows.